Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on notifications from apps on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on notifications from apps on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane click on System. Now click on Notifications. Scroll down. Here you will find notifications from apps and other senders, and apps is here and it's turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Now notifications from apps is turned on in Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.